Amish-made furniture is a celebration of family values and age-old craftsmanship that has been handed down for generations. Creating Amish furniture begins with the best selection of harvested timber, such as maple, walnut, and other beautiful American hardwoods. Every piece of lumber, carefully selected by the craftsman, tells a story and makes each piece of furniture unique and beautiful. An Amish builder is composed of patience, a steady hand, and an eye that is sensitive to detail. Transforming unadulterated wood into elegant furniture requires keen devotion from start to finish. United by their values, these craftsmen work together to produce incredible furniture that will stand the test of time and meet the needs of families across the nation. Family values, timeless traditions, lasting for generations.